Welcome to Oxcon Systems, the leader in pavement preservation and restoration. Today we're going to be talking about using our concrete resurfacer. The process begins by removing any loose material your pavement has. Crews will begin by removing the loose material either by chipping, grinding, shot blasting, or power washing. Once the surface has been cleaned of loose debris, dirt, or grime, crews will begin to address any cracks within it. Using our specialized HP concrete resurfacer, workers will fill any cracks to create a level profiled surface. Once the filled-in material has dried, crews will place a flexible base coat over the crack embedded with a specialized polysynthetic mesh, preventing any reflective cracking from coming through. Once the base coat has dried, workers will install the final 2 coats using a broom finish. That's it. Your new surface is ready for use.